So we have the fuel tank in place. Put your bushings in. Caps under the bottom. I use a pin punch. Carefully line up the holes. There we go. Leave that pin punch in there. Grab a bolt. Shove it in there. Now I can move around the fuel tank. Until it drops in like that. You thread it in by hand. Sometimes you got to wiggle. There it goes, right there. See, I have to pull with the punch. Leave it loose a little bit. Grab the second one. I noticed I had to pull to the right. So, oh, the washer moved. So I'm going to use my pin punch. Straighten it out. It straightened out on its own. Drop it in there. I had to pull the fuel tank to the right, so there it goes. Both are threaded, minimum effort, nothing's damaged. Done.